How to cancel pending payment on PayPal. In today's video, I will show you how to quickly cancel a payment and make sure your funds are protected. So first, open the PayPal app or website and log into your account. If you haven't already, go ahead and sign in. So once you are logged in, head to the activity or summary page. This is where you will see all your recent transactions. Scroll through your transactions and locate the pending payment you want to cancel. It will be marked as pending on your list. Tap or click on the pending payment to open its details and get more options. Now, look for the option to cancel the payment. Tap or click on it. PayPal will then ask you to confirm the cancellation by entering your PayPal password. So once you have confirmed, PayPal will change the payment status to cancelled and that's it. Just a quick reminder, you can only cancel a pending payment if it hasn't been completed yet. If the payment is already processed, you will need to contact the recipient directly to ask for a refund. And that's how you cancel a pending payment on PayPal. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and comment any questions you have. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.